Hello and welcome to Hosted FTP's Quick Start Guide. Today's tutorial will cover how to create a username for read-only access. Let's begin. Start by logging into your admin account and going to the Files tab. Create your folder or subfolder structure that you want your read-only user to be able to access and save your folders. Remember the name of the main folder because we'll be using it later to configure our user. Next, go to the User tab, click Add Username located on the right-hand menu, and fill in the blanks for this user's credentials. Once complete, go to the Options underneath the user credentials and check the Manage User Settings box. This will remove the Setup tab, disabling the user from being able to change their password or account information. Now use the drop-down menu to select read-only access. Set the storage quota to 0 and click Save. This will now enable you to add an email and to see the advanced options. Where it says Default FTP Folder, input the name of the main folder we just created. This will ensure our read-only user will land in our new folder right when they log in. At this time, you can review the other advanced options like forcing FTPS or SFTP for increased encryption and security, or even set a bandwidth quota if you don't want this user to download past a certain amount. Save and continue on to the last step. Go back to the Files tab and find the folder we just created. Share this folder with your new user by clicking Share, add contacts, then browsing the list of users for the one we just created. Click Continue and configure the permissions and notifications for this user using the drop-down menu. Where it says Access, choose Read Only. The Notify drop-down menu is for this user and when you would like them to receive notifications via the email we set up earlier. If you, the admin, want to receive emails when changes are made, you can enable them by checking the Notify Me When Contacts box and using the drop-down menu to configure the settings for notifications. Save, and congratulations, you've successfully created a read-only user and shared a folder with them. Thanks for watching, and on behalf of everyone here at Hosted FTP, we want to thank you for choosing us as your service provider.